gel. It's really thin coat of condensed glue gel. Now I can't see from the other angle. Hold on. And it's far away too. And next is no wipe top coat. Hi Chula, hola, how are you? Alright, I'm about to turn this because I can't see. It's really interesting when you go on live stream. You can see it's really clear on this. It looked like a messy, like all stuff, but not that bad at all. What Art's going to do is super cute and simple on these nails. And I am going to have like transcended crystal from transcended crystal kits. Also, I use glow in the darks crystal mix size. And now add crystal AB. You can incorporate with so many different crystals, different colors. You don't have to limit of. Right, so hold on, this baby one. Like 3 beads, like Shay said, her pyramids. It's really cute. I like that. I always add the crystal placements on the end beads with 3 beads instead of 1. Sometimes I would do 1. Now I can't see it. Hold on. All right. Now I'm going to use the frame, and you're gonna see me doing a lot with silver and gold frame. Sorry, I moved my hand, but in order for me to see it's really clear is by looking this angle. All right, you can definitely cure after. Hold on, look good better like that, yeah. Okay, cure first. Yep. Because by looking back and forth, you can see it still stay and it's not sliding anywhere.